Okay, the last couple days around here weren't too bad. It warmed up to 8 degrees Celsius. So I've been concerned about this portable garage here. The distance between, I don't even have a tape measure, but the distance between the ribs are, whew, that's 4 feet anyway. It's about 4 feet in between the ribs. And when we have snow, you could really notice it sagging. So yesterday I had these half-inch PVC pipes. I actually had them that was going over to make kind of a canopy for the green peppers and red peppers last year, but I figured it would probably be more suitable to use them in here for supports in between, because now, as you can see, there's probably 2 feet before a rib, and that looks like it'll work a lot better. Now on my other portable garage, I also have ropes that I pulled across, and which sectioned it off even more for more support, which this spring or summer, whatever, I think I'm going to do in here too. But I just had to scrounge stuff. The 10-foot piece wasn't enough. I had to put another piece in. Then it was on an angle, and I was afraid that if it had a load on it, it would puncture it. So I had these old poles from another portable garage I had years ago. So luckily I was able to dig them out of the snow and stuff, and I was able to use them to guide, well, the stop. It was pushed out like that because of the arc. So I had to pull it back in with these posts, and right now they're just down to the ground, but the furthest they can go is that cross piece. And so it's not much, but it'll definitely help. And that's pretty well all there is to it. I just installed them. They're just installed with tie wraps right now, and I put them in the pipe. So we're supposed to get snow for a couple days straight, so I definitely wanted to do something in here to ensure that it was going to stay here. Okay, everybody have a nice day. Cheers.